In a picturesque valley, nestled between lush green hills, lay a secret haven known only to a few, a hidden rainbow garden. One sunny afternoon, a group of young unicorns, drawn by tales of wonder, stumbled upon this magical realm. Their eyes sparkled with awe as they took in the vivid colors of the plants, each leaf and petal a different hue of the rainbow. The flowers seemed to dance to an invisible melody, while the leaves shimmered in the sunlight. However, their wonder was short-lived as they noticed a strange thing happening. The garden's colors, once so vibrant, began to fade. The unicorns gasped in dismay as the plants turned dull and lifeless, their enchanting beauty slipping away. Determined to unravel the mystery behind the garden's plight, the unicorns huddled together, searching for clues. Their first discovery came from an unlikely source, a wise old owl perched majestically on a glowing tree. With a hoot and a flurry of feathers, the owl explained that magic crystals, once plentiful in the garden, had gone missing, causing the colors to fade. With newfound purpose, the unicorns embarked on a quest to find the missing crystals. The race was on, and time was of the essence. Across a sparkling meadow they dashed, their determination unwavering as they ventured into unknown territories. Their journey led them to a glowing crystal bridge, suspended over a shimmering rainbow river. They crossed with care, wary of the steep drops below. Just as they thought their quest was coming to an end, they encountered a group of mischievous fireflies. The tiny, glowing insects teased the unicorns, hiding and revealing the first magic crystal. After retrieving the elusive crystal, the unicorns moved on to a hidden crystal cave, where they marveled at the hundreds of glowing stalactites hanging from the ceiling. With the final destination in sight, they faced an ancient puzzle marked on a stone wall. Working together, the unicorns solved the intricate puzzle, unlocking the last remaining crystal. With the crystals in their possession, the unicorns raced back to the garden. One by one they placed the crystals around the garden, and a brilliant light washed over the plants. Once again, colors burst forth in magnificent splendor, and the garden was alive. The young unicorns danced under a magical rainbow in celebration, their hearts full of joy. Having learned the importance of friendship and teamwork, they promised to forever protect their newfound treasure. The wise old owl watched from his perch, nodding approvingly at the unicorn's vow.